Hi guys, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. We have a 2015 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive pickup truck selling in our January 5th, that's a Wednesday morning, 2022 online auction. Online bidding only, KennyBlandAuctions.com or KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. Gonna just do a walk around for you first. As I said, it is a 4x4. It's the V6 SR5 package. Don't forget to bring a license plate with you. This one will be removed. There will not be a license plate on it. Okay? Let's go to the interior first. There's your back seat. We have power door locks, power windows all the way around. There you go. WeatherTech floor mats. We have seat covers to match these for the front. They're laying in the floorboard down there. Okay, let me get the keys out. I have one lanyard. We have 3 keys. All right. Fires right up. Starting over here, again, we have power windows, power door locks. We have touchscreen on the controls here for you. All right, I think it has satellite radio, not sure. We have air conditioning, I've not tried it. Again, there's your seat covers, automatic transmission down here. 4-wheel drive feature right there, 4-wheel high and low. We have 115,303 miles showing. We have a low tire sensor that's blinking on and off, so one of the tires must be low. Up here, we have the windshield has a crack in it. See it right there? Windshield is cracked. All right, to the steering wheel, we have on the steering wheel controls, including volume for your radio, various stuff here, and looks like probably cruise control, though I'm not certain. Electric mirrors down here. We have traction control, and there's that. I'll go ahead and pop the hood. Again, this is a V6. Final shot of the back seat. I'm going to put the phone down for just a second. Okay, there we go. All right, so on the exterior, we have some body damage here on the front. Got the nice blacked out rims, tires. Tires look decent. Still have some tread left on them. Got the bars at the bottom. We've got scratches on the side of the truck. Again, left rear quarter panel is pushed in somewhat right there. All right. We do have the 2-inch tow package back here. And it looks like it has the round plug. On that side, we have a bed liner. Looks like factory bed liner. Right rear quarter panel has a push in right here, dent, some scratches on there too. Door's got some scratches on it. A couple small scratches on the front. Again, this sells to the highest bidder in our January 5th, 2022 online auction. That's a Wednesday morning, ends at 10 o'clock local time here in Indiana. We will have clear title to this vehicle. It had a loan, it's been paid off, and the attorney's office is awaiting the clear title in their office. So the new buyer is guaranteed a clear title from the state of Indiana. Any questions? 812-320-0130. Thank you very much.